Now the Bihar burqa verification row has escalated. That's right. The Bihar Deputy Chief Minister compares burqa to a ghungat and says that women in ghungat can be checked. Important information coming in as the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has also talked about why not check women's face in burqa. This is what he had to say. Important to understand that these comments come from the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha, who's spoken on the verification burqa row. Important information coming in as his question as to why women in burqa cannot be checked. This is in context of the verification of women voters who are wearing burqas. Important information coming in as the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has commented on this. Let's also listen into what he had to say.
संविधान के अनुसार कानून एक होना चाहिए, पर्दा में हो या बुर्का में हो। महिलाओं का चेहरा अगर जो देखने का चुनाव आयोग नियम लगाता है तो समान लगाना चाहिए। घूंघट में चेहरा देखेंगे लेकिन बुर्का में चेहरा नहीं देखेंगे, ये कहाँ का नियम है? और चेहरा देखने में हर्ज क्या है? महिलाएं भी रहती है कर्मचारी में, पुलिस भी महिला रहती है। चुनाव आयोग जो निर्णय करेगा हम स्वीकार करेंगे।
Well, on this, my colleague Raman joins us on the telecast. Now, Raman, help us understand what exactly are these comments that have been made by the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister, and what exactly is this entire row when it comes to verification of women in burqa who are, of course, coming to vote.
Exactly, the burqa-clad row is erupted in Bihar after the Bihar BJP chief Dilip Jaiswal demands from the Election Commission that the face of burqa-clad women should be verified from her voter list at the day of voting. And then after, the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha also compared burqa from the ghungat, that the women in ghungat face can checked by the Election Commission at the day of voting. Then why should not the women in burqa's face were checked by the Election Commission? And this is the statement by the BJP and demanding from the Election Commission that the day of polling, the women in burqa's face should be checked and matched from the voter list whether she is a genuine voter or she is an invalid voter. So that's why BJP is demanding from the ECI that ECI should check the face and verify it from her voter list at the day of voting. And this is the kind of a statement that will make a controversy in Bihar itself, because RJD and Congress is disappointing after the statement from the BJP which comes out yesterday.